guys, it's your baby girl Saskay, and I just left the big brother's house, and I just want to go through your comments right now, see which ones I can reply and which ones I cannot. Okay, so Rabista Gan says, my African queen Saskay, love you. I love you too, and I'm sure you're an African queen too. Thank you. Nobeko, my Ataza 8 says, tell her she's beautiful and smart. Oh, thank you so much. Don't get me blushing. A black girl blushing? Stop. Annie Krem says, why didn't she give Cross a chance in her life? Well, I did, but it didn't work out in the house. We'll try it outside. Just watch out, guys. Fiona Nas says, why is she always sleeping and hard sometimes to guys? First of all, as a baby girl that I am, I need my due to sleep. You get it? And I'm not being hard sometimes to guys. It's just me. I can't just let everyone, around me. It's not gonna work. You get me? Okay? Marina says, why did she not pick Cross over J. Paul? Sincerely. I'll tell you, each woman to her own spec. Thank you. We have Aliyah 25. Tell Saskay she is so pretty and she was my mom's favorite. Thank you so much. I would love to meet your mom. I would love that. Tell her thank you for her support. Sincerely love her. Okay? So Tracy Nota says, just tell her the whole world loves her, our African ambassador to the world. You know it, repping Africa to the fullest. Yes. I'm so happy. I'm glad to have you all on my back. And I know that whatever I am doing, whatever plans I have, knowing you all got my back already is enough for me. Thank you so much for supporting Saskay. I love you all.